Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how to export data from list in ServiceNow to Excel. I am going to export list of incidents. Okay. Type as incident and you can click on this all. If you want to export list of problems, then type as problem here. Let's open the list of incidents. Click on any one of these column options here. Export. Export this file specifically to Excel, CSV and XML. I am gonna go ahead with click on this Excel. This export is in progress. And here you go the download option. Click on this download option. Yeah, your file has downloaded. Open your file. It's our downloaded file with list of incident records with headers. See, total 85 records are here. Excluding header, we have 84 records. So here we have total 84 list of incidents. It is very straightforward. Just you want to navigate to list which you want to export and click on any one of these column options and then export your list. That's it for today video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.